This is a seed starter kit. Check online for further details about the options this kit and other kits offer from Hugbow. We have one kit already set up, and we're going to show you what you get inside. You get a honeycomb circular shape bottom, clear, strong plastic with a film on the plastic. This is the base cover. What we need to do is add water into the unit. Before we add water into the unit, it has a measurement of up to 40 L located right here. Fill the container with water to the desired level. The unit has a mat, the self-watering mat. Place into the water and fully submerge. Lift the mat, fold over one edge, and repeat for the opposite side. Fold the edge over. We have a plant stand. This is a clear plant stand which we're going to place underneath the mat by lifting up into the water and bringing the edge over the mat, touching the water evenly on both sides. This is what you will have on the unit looking at the mat. With the 40 pods, holes in the center, seed starter soil or indoor potting mix. Place onto the top, press down so it lays flat. We're given two tools. Both sides have tools on it. A shovel, a seed hole measuring, a spade, and a separator. We have here is potting mix seed starter. We're going to scoop out and add to each of the pods. We have indoor potting mix as well that we're going to add in. Fill up every pod container. And the last piece we have is a cover with 3 areas of interest that we have air holes on top and a cover that simply goes on, hold and press in gently, and locks into place once secured in. Repeat for all of them, lock into place. This area you could put your seeds in, you could put fertilizer and more. We have also on top where the lights go in that the cables run along the outer edge. We have stakes for each of the rows. With the pencil, we're planting basil. And place in. We have additional green stakes, double-sided stickies for pest control. Along the line, we cut. Peel each side, fold, and place on. And stick in. Repeat as often as like and stick in. With the seed puncher, punch your holes to the center of each pod. With the tools, place in a seed to each of the holes and cover up. When all the seeds are in and filled, the top cover lift, place over and on, and place on the 2 remaining lights. Lock in. We have a probe that is moisture, pH, and light via a switch. Batteries are not needed. The switch to moisture and into the soil with a reading towards, and depending on the pH level and light. A 2-pack 80 count seed starter kit. The full depth 8 inches. The height from the plant's top is 4 inches. Across at 14 inches, 8 inches across. We have 3 levels of lighting. We have 3 timers, 3, 9, and 12. The unit can be ran off of a 5-volt power supply or the supplied 5-volt brick located on the side. We have 10 levels of lighting that we could decrease and increase 10% per. We have the full spectrum, white light, and medium spectrum. Everything that you need to know about the Hugbow is in the manual provided. We'll show you what the germination of basil looks like. By the desk without a window, the low-level lighting system generates 3 different modes of lighting for the seeds to start growing. As we open up the container and showing you the germination of seeds of basil, the self-watering offers water to each and most of the pods, with the level of water absorbing through the pad on the stand and up into the pod. We have the seed starter kit. Check online for further details about the kits you are after. I hope you enjoy the Hugbow Seed Starter 80 count 2-pack with 4 LED spectrum light with a control system of 10 levels, 3, 9, and 12-hour timer for growing seeds all year round in areas of no to low level light. Moisture is held in, water is brought up into the plant stand and into the pod area with self-adhesive stickies for pest control. You have your handle to grab the top cover to remove, as well as placing small items in the area with vent areas to control the moisture and humidity. Add the water as necessary, and I hope this seed starter kit is something that you are looking for. You're growing seeds and germinating. Enjoy your seed starter kit all year round for your indoor and outdoor gardening, herb, flowers, vegetable needs. Thank you for viewing.